Hi my lovelies, I know I've been missing in action, but I'm back and here is a recipe to make it up. And these are proper Lahore samosa. Aloo samosa, yani ki potato samosa. Just perfect with the afternoon tea or any time of the day, to be honest. I mean, just look at the size, the color, the beauty of these samosas, how hollow they are sounding and how crispy and crunchy and flaky all at the same time they are. Just beautiful morsels of love, to be honest, with any kind of chutney or whatever the topping or sauces you like. I'm making a samosa chaat. It is very simple to make. I've just got 2 mini samosas, which I'll show in a minute how I've made. Drizzling with some yogurt, sweetened yogurt, and some tamarind sauce, which I've already posted. All these chutneys and sauces have been posted on my YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. And topping it up with, yes, bizarrely a banana, but it works. Trust the process, it works. And some chickpeas and a little bit of sliced onions. And there you have it, a gorgeous looking samosa chaat that can give run for money to any stall outside. Satisfaction and ultimate comfort guaranteed. And you can make them and freeze them for Ramadan. Just take them out before iftar time and fry them, and you can have the freshest samosas ever that are crispy, flaky, buttery, and you name it, and they are. So let's make them. I have taken 750 grams of boiled potatoes that I've chopped, and then I have warmed up some ghee, 2 tablespoons to be precise, and then I've added some garlic and chillies crushed, 1 medium onion finely sliced, saute it, and then add some ginger and some fresh chilies chopped and some spices. Then goes in the potatoes, boiled, little bit mashed, not too much. We're not going to make a paste out of it. We need some texture. Then in goes some coriander. Let it cool, and in the meantime we'll make the dough. I am taking some Maida or refined white flour, and then I have taken some ajwain or caraway seeds, then some ghee, salt, and a little bit of water to knead it. I am going to first make just like a breadcrumb, like a really crumbly texture, just like sand, and then once it's really crumbly and mixed well, then I'll be adding some water. Use a bit of tepid water, that is much better instead of using just the tap water, and that's the way we're going to knead it. We're not going to knead it at the traditional way. We're just going to tearing it and just throwing it, and then we'll bring it together in a bowl and leave it for 20-25 minutes or more if you have time. Now this quantity that I am showing you can easily make up to 32 small mini samosas or 20 large samosas, not and or. So it's either or, okay? So this recipe is perfect for freezing. That's why I've been making it in batches. See how gorgeously that dough is bending because it's got ghee in it. Don't add oil in your dough, please. Please use ghee or banaspati or any vegetable shortening. Do not use oil, otherwise your samosas are going to soak a lot of oil. And then put a plate at the back side and then join the ends together and make sure your samosa sits. If it doesn't sit, then it's not a samosa. And voila, it's ready for frying or freezing. You can freeze it at this stage and then you can fry straight from the freezer, or I'm just frying them fresh. Once they're lightly golden from one side, turn them over on a medium heat. Do not make the oil very hot, otherwise they will burn and be very, very stodgy. Once they're nicely golden brown, take them out, let them rest for 5 minutes so they crisp up really nicely, and they're ready to serve. They stay crisp, trust me, for about 12 hours. They are perfect, beautiful Lahore samosas. Bye.